Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. In the last videos we have seen a few portions from Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 5th chapter. Today we will be continuing the same chapter. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev from Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last videos, we have seen about Toya Varga, Kshira Varga and Ikshu Varga from Dravadravya Vijnaniya Adhyaya. If you have not seen those videos, please click the I button to access them. Today we will be moving with the Taila Varga. The contents of Taila Varga are the properties of Tila Taila, Eranda Taila, Sarshapa Taila, Aksha Taila, Nimba Taila, Atasi Taila and Kusumba Taila. These are the vegetable sources of oil. There is mentioning about the animal sources such as Vasa, Majja and Meda. Moving with individual properties of oil. First, Tila Taila. Tailam swayonivat tatra mukhyam tikshnam vyavayicha tvagdoshakrit achakshusham sukshmoshnam kaphakrit nacha Krishanam brahmanayalam sthulanam karshanaya bethavitkam krimiknam cha samskarat sarvarogajit. Tailam swayonivat tatra mukhyam tikshnam vyavayi cha tvagdoshakrit achakshusham sukshma ushna kaphakrit nacha Krishanam brahmanaya alam sthulanam karshanaya cha bethavitkam krimiknam cha samskarat sarvarogajit. Tailam swayonivat tatra mukhyam tikshnam vyavayi cha tvagdoshakrit achakshusham sukshma ushnam kaphakrit nacha krishanam brahmanaya alam sthulanam karshanaya cha bethavitkam krimiknam cha samskarat sarvarogajit. The properties of oils are generally similar to their sources, such as the seeds or the leaves from which the oil is being extracted. Among the Taila Varga, the Tila Taila is considered as the most important one, and the properties of Tila Taila are, it is Tikshna, that is sharp in action, Vyavayi, that is fast moving or penetrating, Sukshma, it is very minute, and Ushna, that is Ushna Virya. The Tila Taila is having the properties such as Tvagdoshakrit, that is, it is producing Tvagdosha or diseases of the Tvag can be produced. It is not good for the skin conditions, and Achakshusham, it is not good for the eyes also. Kaphakrit na, it does not increases the Kapha dosha, and Samskarat Sarvarogajit. If the Tila Taila is being processed with appropriate medicines, it has the ability to cure the diseases. And these Tila Taila is indicated in conditions such as Krishanam Brahmanaya, for getting bulk promoting or for increasing the bulk in the people who are very Krisha or very lean or emaciated, and Sthulanam Karshanaya, and also for reducing the weight in the obese people, and Bethavitkam, that is constipation, and Krimiknam, it reduces or helps in relieving the worm infestation. Eranda Taila. Satiktoshna Erandam Tailam Swadu Saram Guru Vartmagulma Anila Kabhanudaram Vishamajwaram Rukshofoja Kadi Guhya Koshta Prishtashrayau Jayet Tikshnoshnam Pichilam Visram Raktairandod Bhavam Tuvati. Satikta Ushnam Erandam Tailam Swadu Saram Guru Vartma Gulma Anila Kabhan Udaram Vishamajwaram Rukshofaucha Kati Guhya Koshta Prishta Ashrayau Jayet Tikshna Ushnam Pichilam Visram Rakta Erandod Bhavam Tu Ati. Satikta Ushnam Erandam Tailam Swadu Saram Guru Vartma Gulma Anila Kabhan Udaram Vishamajwaram Rukshofau cha Kati Guhya Koshta Prishta Ashrayau Jayet Tikshna Ushnam Pichilam Visram Rakta Erandod Bhavam Tu Ati. The Eranda Taila, the Taila which is being processed from Eranda, the seeds, are having the properties such as Tikta Madhura Rasa, Ushnavirya, Guru Guna, and having the property called as Sara, that is laxative, and the Taila which is being produced from the Rektaja variety of Eranda is having the properties such as Atitikshna, Atyushna, Pichila, that is slimy, and Visra, that is, it is having an odor. This Erenda Taila in general can be used in conditions such as Varthma, that is hydrocele or hernia like conditions, Gulma, abnormal mass, Anila Kapha, that is in disorders of Vata and Kapha dosha, Udara, ascites condition, Vishamajwara, and Ruk and Shofa, that is pain and swelling in regions such as Kadi, Guhya, Koshta, and Prishta. Sarshapa Taila. Katushnam sarshapam tikshnam kapha-shukranilaapaham lakhu-pittasrakrit kotha-kushtarsho vranajantujit. Katu ushnam sarshapam tikshnam kapha-shukra-anilaapaham lakhu-pittasrakrit kotha-kushta-arsha vranajantujit. Katu ushnam sarshapam tikshnam kapha-shukra-anilaapaham lakhu-pittasrakrit kotha-kushta-arsha vranajantujit. The Sarshapa Taila is having the properties such as Katurasa, Ushnavirya, and it is having Tikshna Guna and Lakhu Guna, and it is in having the properties such as Kapha Shukra Anilapaham, that is it reduces Kapha dosha and Anila or Vata dosha and reduces the Shukra Dhadu, and Pitta Asrakrit, it increases Pitta and Rekta, and Kotha, Kushta, Arsha, Vrana, Jandujit. It can be given in the conditions such as Kotha, that is urticaria or skin diseases, Kushta, again skin disease, Arsha, hemorrhoids, Vrana in wound condition, and Jandu, that is krimi or worm infestations. Akshataila. Aksham swadu himam keshyam guru pittanilapaham. Aksham swadu himam keshyam guru pitta anilapaham. Aksham swadu himam keshyam guru pitta anilapaham. The Aksha Taila, that is oil prepared from the seeds of Aksha or Vibhitaki, is having the properties such as Swadu or Madhura Rasa, it is Hima or Shitavirya, and it is Guru in Guna, and Pitta Anilapaham, that is it reduces the Pitta and Vada dosha, and it is Keshya, that is good for the hair growth. Nimba Taila. Natyushnam nimbajam tiktam krimi-kushta kapha-pranut. Na ati ushnam nimbajam tiktam krimi-kushta kapha-pranut. Na ati ushnam nimbajam tiktam krimi-kushta kapha-pranut. Na ati ushnam nimbajam tiktam krimi-kushta kapha-pranut. The oil which is being produced from nimba or neem is having tikta rasa, and it is na ati ushna, that is it is not that much hot in potency, and krimi kushta kapha-pranut. It helps in removing the krimi or worm infestation, and it can be used in conditions of kushta, that is skin disorders, and kapha-pranut, that it reduces the kapha dosha. Uma kusumba taila. Uma kusumphajam cha ushnam tvagdosha kapha-pittakrit. Uma kusumphajam cha ushnam tvagdosha kapha-pittakrit. Uma kusumphajam cha ushnam tvagdosha kapha-pittakrit. The oil being prepared from Uma or Atasi and from Kusumbha are having the properties such as Ushnavirya, and it produces tvagdosha, that is skin disorders, and it increases kapha and pitta dosha. Moving with the animal sources of origin such as Vasa, Majja, and Meta. Vasa, Majja cha Vadaknau Balapitta Kapha Pradau Mamsanuga Swarupau cha Vidyan Meto api Taviva. Vasa, Majja cha Vadaknau Balapitta Kapha Pradau Mamsanuga Swarupau cha Vidyat Meta api Tau iva. Vasa, Majja cha Vadaknau Bala Pitta Kapha-pradau Mamsanuga Swarupau cha Vidyat Meta api Tau iva. The properties of Vasa, Majja, and Meda are Mamsanuga Swarupa, that is the properties similar to that of the Mamsa or meat of the animal, and it is Vatakna, it helps in reducing the Vata dosha, and Bala, Pitta, Kapha-prada, it helps in increasing the Bala, that is strength, and increases the Pitta and Kapha dosha. Hence, the Taila Varga has been ended. The first plant origin of Taila such as Erenda, Tila Taila, Sarshapa Taila, etc. has been mentioned, and the animal sources such as Vasa, Majja, and Meda has also been explained in this particular Varga. Today we have seen about Tailavarga from Dravadravya Vijnaniya Adhyaya of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. We will be continuing the same chapter in the next videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.